You've been told it's just hormones, but what if the real reason you can't sleep, think, or relax is because of a missing micronutrient? One that is involved in over 300 biochemical processes in your body. Let's talk about 5 reasons your magnesium may be low and what to do about it. Hi, I'm Dr. A. I'm an integrative psychiatrist and lifestyle physician. Here's what happened to Sonia, one of my patients. She came to me convinced she was losing her mind, heart palpitations, insomnia, anxiety attacks out of nowhere. 3 doctors told her it was just perimenopause and offered antidepressants, which she took. She did a little better but continued to struggle. We conducted micronutrient testing, which revealed very low intracellular magnesium levels. Treating her magnesium deficiency got her feeling much better within a few weeks. Now, here's the sad part. Magnesium deficiency isn't rare. Research shows that many perimenopausal women are magnesium deficient, yet most doctors never check for it. Many perimenopausal women become magnesium deficient for several key reasons. Number 1, hormonal changes. As estrogen levels drop during perimenopause, magnesium levels in the body also tend to decrease. Estrogen helps regulate magnesium metabolism, and its decline can disrupt this balance, resulting in lower magnesium levels in the blood and cells. Number 2, dietary shortfalls. Many women do not get enough magnesium from their diets. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are good sources, but modern diets often lack these, and salt depletion further reduces the magnesium content in crops. Number 3, age-related decline. As the body ages, its ability to absorb and retain magnesium decreases. This is especially true during peri- and post-menopause, when the risk of deficiency increases. Number 4, stress and lifestyle factors. Stress, which is common during perimenopause, can deplete magnesium stores even further. Magnesium is vital for the body's stress response, and higher stress levels can increase the need for this mineral. Number 5, underlying health issues. Conditions such as digestive problems or chronic illnesses can also reduce magnesium absorption or increase loss, making a deficiency more likely. Think of magnesium as your body's chill pill. It is involved in many body processes. When you don't have enough, your nervous system struggles. Your heart races, your muscles tense up, your brain feels foggy, sleep becomes problematic. I discuss this further in my free guide. The link is in the description below. Magnesium deficiency creates a vicious cycle in perimenopause. Low magnesium levels can make the body more reactive to stress, causing cortisol, the primary stress hormone, to rise. Magnesium helps regulate hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which controls cortisol release. When magnesium levels are low, the body struggles to regulate cortisol, which can amplify stress responses. It's like your body is stuck in permanent fight or flight mode. Some studies also show that higher cortisol levels are linked to more severe hot flashes. Here's the test your doctor should run but probably won't. RBC magnesium, not serum magnesium, which misses most deficiencies. Serum magnesium, which is what most conventional doctors order, measures magnesium in the bloodstream. However, less than 1% of magnesium is in the blood. The rest is in your cells and bones. So your serum magnesium can look normal even if you're severely deficient. So what you should ask for instead is red blood cell magnesium. This test measures magnesium inside your red blood cells over the last 90 days. It's far more accurate than serum magnesium levels. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Not all magnesium supplements are the same. Most supplements use magnesium oxide. Your body absorbs only a tiny fraction of this. The rest gives you diarrhea. You want magnesium glycinate. It's bound to the amino acid glycine, which helps with sleep and anxiety. Your body absorbs most of it without the digestive upset. Start with 200 to 400 milligrams before bed. But here's the catch. If you're severely deficient, you might need more. Work with a practitioner who understands this. But supplements aren't enough. You need magnesium-rich foods too. Dark chocolate, almonds, spinach, avocados, pumpkin seeds. These are magnesium powerhouses. Unfortunately, the medical system treats perimenopausal symptoms like separate problems. Anxiety gets antidepressants. Insomnia gets sleeping pills. Mood swings get mood stabilizers. Nobody looks at the root cause. One micronutrient deficiency may be the underlying cause of all of these symptoms. Fix the deficiency, fix the symptoms. I've seen women transform their lives with this one change. Sleep returns, anxiety goes away, energy comes back, they feel like themselves again. If you're on medications, especially blood pressure meds or diabetes medications, talk to your doctor first. Magnesium can enhance their effects. And if you have kidney disease, be extra careful. Your kidneys regulate magnesium levels. So always consult with your doctor. If you found this helpful, watch the next video where I reveal a surprising supplement that can help alleviate brain fog during perimenopause.